Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly sales tip. I'm your host David Lewis and I want to thank you for taking the time to join me today. Since the internet has become such an integral part of the average person's life today, it is reasonable to assume that most car shoppers have spent time online before calling your dealership to make an appointment or just dropping in out of the blue. What is critical to understand is why the internet shopper is contacting a salesperson in the first place rather than just coming straight into the dealership. Here is what they're looking for. They actually want to find a salesperson they will feel comfortable working with. Finding the right salesperson to work with is the second most important priority to most car shoppers. The vehicle is first, but the salesperson is a close second. Shoppers can narrow down their vehicle search by shopping the internet and seeing what is available and what has good reviews. However, finding the right salesperson will generally require at least some level of communication or conversation before the customer is willing to risk going to the dealership and taking a chance on getting stuck with one they won't like. Your demeanor with potential customers during the first call, text, or chat is critical for them to do at least some level of appraisal of your personality, style, and likability. Don't blow it by taking anything for granted. You build your business by connecting with the customer as soon as possible and getting them to want to deal with you as their salesperson. This is true whether they're shopping online or speaking to a salesperson face-to-face at the dealership. So remember, when they call the dealership, they not only want information, but they're also sizing you up.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.